Hi besties, my name is Shweta Dheerta and welcome to my channel. This is officially my first video and I'm so glad you're here. So don't forget to show me some love and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon as well. So let me tell you about my channel. I'm going to share beauty, fashion and like unboxing and haul content here. So stay tuned. Okay, that's all for the introduction. So in today's video, we are going to unbox my first ever expensive bag. I can say it's from Guess. Yes, I know it's not a luxury. It's not a high top end luxury brand, but it is a luxury brand for me. And I have invested, first time I have invested this much amount in a bag. So it's very quite special for me. I bought this in like my vacation in Dubai, but I was waiting to unbox it with this video. So here we are. It's a pink, of course. I know it's a pink bag. Pink is my favorite color. आपको जल्दी ही पता चलेगा धीरे धीरे how much I am obsessed with pink. And ये थोड़ा सा इतने टाइम से रखा हुआ है तो थोड़ा सा ऐसे हो ही रहा है. So it's Guess pink, signature pink with their logo. Down. And let me tell you, it is a very expensive purchase. I mean, this is my like most expensive bag ever. I manifest कि मेरे collection में और भी महंगी महंगी bag हो. My next target is like Coach का bag. Yeah, but yeah, I am happy with this one also. I am so sorry. This is my first video. I will try to make more aesthetic videos. So here it is. Ta-da. Let me just. All my friends told me कि आप दुबई जा रहे हो, you must get a bag. So मैंने सोचा था मैं ऑल्डो या गेस दोनों में से किसी एक ब्रांड का बैग तो जरूर ही लूंगी बिकॉज यही मेरे बजट में थे. ऑल्डो मैं कोच के शोरूम भी गई थी बट आई वाज लाइक मैं ऑल्डो के शोरूम गई, फिर मैंने वहां पे काफी कुछ देखा, फिर मुझे कुछ समझ नहीं आया. जो समझ आया वो कुछ ज्यादा ही रेंज से बाहर था, तो फिर हम इसी पे आए. ये मुझे देखते ही पसंद आ गया था, ये मुझे बहुत अच्छा भी लग रहा था. इट्स काइंड ऑफ क्यूट एंड मेरी थोड़ी पुकी पुकी वाइब्स है जो मेरे फ्रेंड्स वगैरह बोलते हैं, तो ये अच्छा लग रहा था मेरे ऊपर. ऑल्दो ये अभी तक खुला नहीं है. आई एम सो सॉरी. So let me show you inside of the bag and so nice. It has this bag pouch. Great. I mean, this is great. Guess is great, I can say. And then it has like, if I can show you, here card compartments and one zipper which has quite space, I can say. I am happy from the inside as well. I don't know if that makes sense. I am happy with the inner part of the bag as well. Yes. Ta-da. Yeah. It is spacious. It can hold my like phone and my makeup and my wallet. And yeah. Cute. Now we have this. Look at the back. I really like the bag which have like this outer pocket, so कि आपका change या आपका phone आराम से easily आ जाए without उसको खोले हुए, तो that is very convenient to me. And yes, it is. उनको दिखेगा नहीं. और ये ऐसे like ये ऐसे भी हो जाएगा और ये cross body भी हो जाएगा. So hope you like it. And this is very special to me. Hope you like this unboxing. This is my first unboxing, so bear with me. So that was my haul video. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe to my channel for my upcoming videos. Last thing I wanted to tell, it is an expensive bag for me and I wanted to tell you the price for this bag, but I cannot because my family is going to see this video and my mom and my chachu gonna like it. So try to understand and Google it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye. See you in my next video.